So I'm here to talk about this modality, healing modality called spiritual healing. The reason why I'm doing this is, in spite of having posted it a couple of weeks ago, um, I use this modality extensively on my clients, and for a good reason, because I've seen amazing results. And the reason why I want to make a video on this is I want to throw more light on how this works, what can it be used for, and what is it that you can do to heal faster. All right, so that's what I intend doing here. Um, so this modality is basically a combination of Reiki and pranic healing. It's complete energy work. Apart from that, we also use a lot other technicalities apart from these two combinations. Now, what does it heal? It, I mean, from my experience, what I've seen is there's like a huge gamut of, diseases, conditions that can be healed, right from, you know, you're feeling lethargic. I've had clients where they just feel lethargic. They can't get up from the bed and get going with life. They feel very um, stuck, confused, absolutely no clarity in their life. To depression, heavily depressed cases. Um, um, I've also dealt with cases. This modality is I've used this modality on cases where people have been in coma, a lot of COVID cases, okay, and I've also used this on cancer, both on a dog that had cancer and also on people. There's one particular case, a cancer which was a fifth grade cancer. There is no fifth grade; it's a written off case where they only give the number of days, right, or whatever duration. But then it so happened that this person went through hormone therapy, so he doesn't go through pain. It's been more than a year now. Yes, he's still on healing. I do at least once a week for him. And this person is now pretty fine. His appetite improved. There was a loss of vision in his eyes. He regained his sight in his right eye, and he gained weight, and he also wrote a book. Okay, so and he's still rocking, so it's by God's grace it's all going fine. So I'm saying just cases like this, a dog that had cancer, cases where there's huge skin issues. You have skin issues, you're very confused, you don't know what to do in life, you're at crossroads. So I have observed that this healing modality helps these conditions enormously. I've had one particular case. So here is the thing, I want to throw light on one thing. The number of sessions differ. Like for instance, I generally suggest 3 to 7 sessions. 7 sessions is a complete. I can give assurance that hey, you know what, you'll get to this state, or you would have healed. But 3 sessions sometimes it's a little dicey. I can't give confirmation. So I generally recommend 3 sessions, 7 or 48, a mandala. But here is the thing. Here is the thing. I really leave it to my clients. One is something that I don't recommend because they'll feel good about themselves, but not much. There'll be a lot more that needs to be worked on. Because this modality works on the chakras, on energy body, everything. A lot of work is being done, but then one is not sufficient, although you'll feel it. So generally this is my recommendation for them, followed by I also teach them practices, like a couple of practices that they need to practice every day, and suggest a maintenance once every month, just one sitting every month, in case they are not practicing. If they're practicing, then they don't need to do this either, right? And I always like my clients also to do their bit of work and not just let me take on. It's like I'm crippling them. I feel the clients are not taking responsibility for their own life. So I like them also to do some work, them to initiate, a bit of healing from their side. So yeah, coming back to this recommendation that I give them, generally the packages. So I've observed that sometimes cases like, I've had a case specifically, a case where it's a depression, a client who's been depressed for 2 years. By the way, this modality is not just one-on-one, it can be used for distant healing too. So this particular client who was outside India was a little depressed for the last 2 years because of loss of her, loved ones, and a lot of grief that was there, and it turned out to be a depression, a situational depression, of course. But it's not restricted to situational, this particular modality. So this particular person was going through situational depression and could not even sleep in the night. So it was pretty intense. So it's very clear, because if it's like within a range of like 6 months, I can vouch that silent sittings is sufficient. But then if it's going to be like more than a year, more than 6 months, I'm not too sure, because I really can't vouch. It depends on where the depression is stemming up from. So we need to figure out a lot of things, and until then we will not know, right? So I said, 7 sessions is what I would recommend at this point in time. But then post that, we'll have to see. I can't really confirm. I can't really guarantee. But here is the thing. This lady was, I think, blessed. In say 3 sessions, which generally is the case, she started observing changes, and by 7 she was absolutely fine. And today it's been more than 8 months, and she has not been doing any practices, right, which I recommend heavily. She's not come for maintenance, and she's absolutely continues to rock on. She's absolutely happy. So what I'm trying to say is, there are cases where, yes, in spite of me not being sure, I've had cases where there's been miracles, right, in just 7 sittings. But then there've been cases where I think there could have been changes, but I don't see the change. I don't feel it when I'm healing. And most of the times it happens that it turns out to be the person has inner child issues. So whenever a person has inner child issues with parents, or as a child they went through some trauma, then it becomes a lot more difficult. Then there is more than just energy work. Then there's more, the client needs to do something now. So the client has to do a lot of CBT, or hypnosis, whatever, it depends. But the person has, the client has to start initiating work, a lot of work, other than just what I'm doing here, or what a healer is doing. So this is exactly what I wanted to put out there. I just want to put it out there so people are aware of this, and this is something, it has to be two ways and not just one way. And yeah, that's what I wanted to know. And another thing is, healing is not like in the face. It's not like okay, I'm just fine now. And when there is a lot of emotional health involved, it is not very obvious. Sometimes it's very subtle. You got to be in that vibration to understand. I can change the vibration, shift the vibration for you, but then you need to continue the vibration, and there'll be a lot of things that happen but you might not observe. However, in a period of a month to two, if you look back, you would actually observe that, wow, I've come a long way, a lot of changes have happened. So that's the magic that you will see, but you won't see it immediately. You'll see it after a month or two, and that's the beauty about energy work, right? So I just wanted to put it out there, because this particular healing that I use extensively on my clients, and it's so powerful, so I thought I should just explain it a little more. So when my clients ask me questions, it's easier for me to refer as compared to really repeat myself, which I do not mind. But I think it'll be good for you all to have a good knowledge before you even decide to undergo this kind of session with me. Yeah. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for listening. Until now, love you all and